friends. Patriarch Designers has served you all for about more than 29 years and still continues to serve you all in the same, no, even enhanced quality work and professionalism as the years pass. Let me introduce you Interiors with Prachi. It is a social media handle for us, that is for Patriarch Designers. Idea behind the change in name is just to connect with you all even better and stronger on all social media platforms. Stay tuned and stay connected.
Architect Prachi is incredible, inspiring, and strong headed. We are proud to introduce our founder, Architect Prachi Zoglekar, who has been creating some big waves in the world of interior designing for 29 glorious years.
Our work is always appreciated by you all, and me and my teammates are thankful to you all for that. We were also felicitated in 2018 by MLA Ashish Shelar for the interior renovation work of National Library, Mumbai. We create a happy workplace every time. I am a proud member of these prestigious organizations, Council of Architecture, Masiha, and Saturday Club Global Trust. We work in three verticals: commercial interiors, residential interiors, and industrial interiors. We work as interior design consultant, that is, we design as per your dreams and hand over to your trusted contractor to execute. Then we work as an interior turnkey contractor, that is, we design as well as execute to make your dream come true. We also work as a hand holding for the startups in interior designing. Above all, and in all of these, we always think and work like an interior solution provider, not just as a designer or a contractor. The interior design has to look beautiful, obviously. But the interior design must function smoothly, it must be ergonomically correct, and it has to satisfy all your requirements. Otherwise, it's just like a beautiful shoe which bites. You can't live with it for long. From day one, our mission has been to create a happy workplace, even when we hadn't heard of words vision and mission. We always add value with our quality work and innovative design ideas. We believe that our most happy customers are repeat customers. That's why we strive for customer loyalty and aim at building long-lasting relationships. When we fall sick, we go to a doctor, a medical professional. We don't treat ourselves, do we? Similarly, we must go to a professional when we are doing our interiors. If you do the interiors yourself, it can be a mess. We at Interiors with Prachi offer our professional services which saves your time, money, hassles with laborers and materials, and most importantly, we design to utilize your space efficiently and effectively. Friends, feel free to connect with us on any of the below platforms and get in touch with us on email or WhatsApp for the hassle-free interiors. Interiors with Prachi is always ready to give you interior solutions. और हाँ, अगर आपको इंटीरियर में कोई भी सेवा चाहिए तो हमें याद कीजिए. क्यों? क्योंकि हम आपको देते हैं फुल वैल्यू फॉर योर मनी एंड परफेक्ट डिझाईन्स. हमारे आयडियाज फ्रेश और क्रिएटिव्ह होते हैं. आम्ही प्रामाणिकपणे आणि सचोटीने काम करतो. प्रोजेक्टची टोटल ओनरशिप घेतो. अँड वी हॅव गॉट अ लॉंग लिस्ट ऑफ हॅपी कस्टमर्स. We make your workplace work for you. A happy workplace. A positive work environment. These are some of our happy and repeat customers. At your own pace, you can go through it. I believe work visuals are better. This way you can glance at our designs too. We design for offices of all sizes, from corporate to medium size, small size to home office. We do shops, spas, clinics, mini operation theaters, waiting lounges, industrial offices, lobbies, tea coffee lounges, canteens, and commercial kitchens. We do college interiors and also design for small children. We take full care that our designs are elderly and children friendly. We also do dream homes for NRIs and their parents. All our clients can discuss and finalize design with us and watch the progress via digital media if they wish to. But we assure you, once the designs are approved, you don't need to bother about anything. You can shift to your place as soon as the payments are fulfilled. You will find your place better than you imagined. That's a promise to you. These are some of the testimonials from our clients. You can read many more testimonials on our website and Google page. You can also give us a testimonial there if you are one of our happy clients. We will be very glad. Our clients always feel that we do value addition with our efforts and designs. We always go that extra mile to make the project successful. Thank you, friends. We look forward to work with you. Remember us for all your interior related queries. Interiors with Prachi, that is Patriarch Designers, and our team is always at your service. Thank you once again. Stay connected, stay tuned. Interiors with Prachi. Bye for now.